If you guys do enjoy this video, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below any suggestions you may have. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, today I'm going to be showing you how to make the easiest fluffy slime. This slime is very easy to make. It just consists of glue, shaving cream, and eye drops or contact lens solution, or you could use borax, but for the purpose of this video I'm not using borax, I'm using contact lens solution. So what you want to do is pour a lot of glue, well not a lot, some of glue into your container. Then you want to add a reasonable amounts of shaving cream into your container. So you want to add quite a lot, so the more foam you put into your container, well, into your glue. Okay, I can't speak, what's wrong with me? So, the more shaving cream you put, the more fluffy your slime is going to become, if that makes sense. I hope it makes sense, because I don't think I'm making any sense, but I always say I never make sense, because I don't think I'm making sense. Okay, so, now you want to carry on mixing your solutions, whatever you have in there. I don't know what to call it, mixture, whatever. You can call it whatever the hell you want. So you just want to mix until everything has come together. Once everything has come together, then I'll be back to tell you what to do next. Don't forget guys to leave a like on this video and to subscribe to my channel, as well as leave a nice comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Anyway, back to the tutorial. So now what you want to do is add your contact lens solution into the mix. As soon as you add your contact lens solution, everything will come together immediately. Like, I mean literally immediately, So you just want to mix the contact lens solution, the foam, the glue, and then everything will come together quite nicely. So that's pretty much it. So guys, I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below. Share it with your friends, if you have nice friends, you could share this video with them. So guys, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye guys.